Guys, alas 4 pa lang madilim na. Look. 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Already dark. I can record, baby. Even it's dark. Yeah. I on the flash. Look at the moon. So 5:30 pa lang dito, guys. Pupunta tayo sa kanilang camping house. So eto, Villafranca. Ito yung way papuntang hotel. Asawa ko, ewan ko anong klaseng adventure ang gustong gawin nito. Gusto daw niya mag-jacuzzi. Ayan. Alas 5 pa lang madilim na. Ano makapag-jacuzzi sa kalagitnaan ng kabundukan? Ha? No. Of course not. We will just check. We don't know if he will continue because it's really cold. Ayan. Ganito kami umuwi, guys, from work. Meron lang kaming ilaw. Ayan. Parang kami lang yung tao dito. Parang nasa ibang mundo kami. Lake yan. Kaso frozen ngayon. Yellow na siya. So, ito yung kanyang camping house. We can make barbecue here. Here, we can put fire. Ayan. So, yun yung jacuzzi.
It's only bonfire.
Yeah.
For grilling.
For grilling, I think also.
No, where is the equipment?
I don't know. Gabi kami nagpunta kasi. Ayan. Let's see what is inside. I just make a vlog. Agoy, kapoy. Okay. You know the code?
Yes. But I can't see.
I will make it more.
19. I cannot see.
So, oh my God. Okay, so yan ang mahiwagang key. Open the door. Chiki. Para kami nasa ano, guys. Oh, careful nga, baka mabali yung key. Give me. Okay, so here first. I don't know if it's enough hot. We will check. You can put inside.
Yes, just
Yan ang mahirap dito, guys, kasi maghubad-hubad pa ng boots. Tapos iba yung chinelas sa labo. It's hot. So you can, I think they make it prepare also. Let's open the light. Okay, so ayan. Uy, Diyos ko. So free kami dito, guys. Pwede kaming gumamit nito. Every day off. But me, I'm not fan of this. So, yung asawa ko lang. Okay, it's not so much lights here.
There is no light.
Don't press anything, huh?
No, this I don't touch.
This is not allowed to press.
Yeah.
There are some buttons not allowed to press. This is okay. This is only the lights. I don't know. Before it's working here.
That, no problem. Still okay.
We have to close the so ayan. Diyos ko, saan ba yung ilaw dito? Ayoko naman na nagdidulong dito.
This for holidays.
Oh my God. It's amazing o nakakatakot tong bahay na to.
That must be one light here.
Yeah. Wait. I will tell you where is this. You found? No. Yeah, okay. So we found one light. It's sauna, I think, there. It's sauna, no?
No sauna.
So this is the bathroom.
This radiator works very well.
Okay.
Yeah, this makes very good job.
Oh, here. Okay. So ito yung kanilang shower room. Okay. He will pee. Takot sa video. Ihi daw siya. Okay. So, ayan guys. Madilim kasi hindi ko alam kung paano ko ipapakita sa inyo. Ayan. Parang lumalabo yung camera. So, ayan. Dito kayo pwede mag-fire. Magpa-fire kayo dito. Ayan. Meron ditong sofa. Ayan. Tapos meron silang TV. Mostly dito yung mga nagka-camping grupo. Ayan. Tapos nag-i-stay sila ng mga ilang days dito. Tapos, may mga dinner sila na kumakain sila sa hotel. Dito sila natutulog. Ayan. So, kompleto yung gamit. Oh, there's more heater here. Oh. You open this one or they open? Okay. So, nakita niyo na yung CR. Punta tayo sa kwarto. Medyo natatakot nga ako dito nung bago ako. Pinaglinis ako. Pero ibang camping yun. I don't know how to open the lights here. There's no switch. How to open the lights here? Hirap naman. Saan yung ilaw dito? Baka wala silang ilaw dito. So, ayan. Meron silang double deck dito. Ayan. Yeah. Okay. And here's the bed. Ayan. Diyos ko. Ewan ko anong klaseng adventure to. Oh my God. Nagmamadali. It's very hot.
Very hot. Oh.
Bisyoso to.
Great. Yay! Finally.
Sobrang bigat niya, guys.
Amazing.
Di namin kaya buhatin
Jacuzzi
to.
with under the sky. Yay! Hey! Lovely. Woohoo! Very super, eh?
Mag-usok na yung cellphone ko. I cannot see you now.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Oh my God. Isang buo siya, guys. Di namin kayang buhatin. Kailangan kasi yan maraming tao magbubuhat. My God. You want to open all? But we have difficulty to return. This is the problem.
Go inside, Agapulamo.
I'm...
And come in 10 minutes to not feel cold. Yes, there is duck inside.
Pak. Pak. My God. Yan yung gusto niya. Fan siya ng...
So nice.
Oh
Great.
my God, it's really heavy. That's why when we are only two, how we can close
No
with
problem.
the wife
The
and
two
me?
of us, we can close. Yeah, I mean, actually 2 men needed.
Yeah. Very guapo. My baby look like a dog. Oh. Quack.
Pack.
What I will
The
click?
jet too.
Blower. You need blower? What is the blower?
Click the blower to set.
Kadami mong check eh. And where are the lights, the rest?
This is
Bisyoso to eh. Daming utos. Parang ano eh.
Amazing.
Parang prinsipe eh.
blower.
Blower.
What a feeling.
Nabuang na yung asawa ko, guys.
Blower. God. What a feeling.
Very nice here.
What a feeling. So excellent, eh?
Wow. Liluluto ko na yung asawa ko. Oh, I will cook you now. Bulalo.
Come in the casserole.
Clean the water, ah?
Bring your tajon inside the casserole.
Nimal ka. Maluto yung sausage mo dyan, bebe.
This is
Hello, you destroyed that one. What are you doing there? Hello ka, bebe.
What
Kahit saan
a
makapanira ka
balls.
talaga, oh. What's that? Ayan.
What a feeling.
Walang snow ngayon, guys. Masarap pag ganyan pag may snow. Pero ako, hindi ako fan ng ganyan kasi yung asawa ko parang nasa ibang mundo eh, oh. Look, the face. Look. Oh, very guwapo. Well.